Yeah, tonight we are going to solve some assignments here. So I want you to listen, like, subscribe, and share. God bless you. Yeah, we have a question here from NBA, Nigerian Defense Academy, PGD students. The assignment given to them. So tonight I'm going to break it one after the other. Anyway, mathematics, let's just say education, we learn every now and then. So I would love to learn from you too. It's okay. So tonight I want to look at this series. It's evaluate the infinite series. So what we need to do, let's write solution. Summation n running from 1 towards infinity to make it a complete series where our n squared plus 1 all over what? N, right? But let's note that amen, n squared plus 1 all over n is the same as n squared all over n plus 1 all over n. True of us. Sorry, this is square. True of us. It's true. Do you agree with me? Okay, so if that is taken, so it means summation n to infinity n squared plus 1 all over n squared. Sorry, this is square. This is square, sorry. So here is equals to, here 2 is square. Here is equals to n squared all over n squared plus 1 all over what? N squared, right? In fact, we are supposed to do it this way. Summation equals to n to 1 to what? Infinity. So I don't need a prophet to tell you this is the same thing as summation n to infinity, 1 to infinity. So here we have 1 plus 1 all over what? N squared. Close the brackets. True or false? Yeah. So when you look at it, let us turn it just like if we have integral of x plus 1 dx, we can turn it this way: integral x dx plus integral 1 dx. True or false? Yeah. So if we turn it this way, although this is not necessary here, so if we turn it this way, it implies that we are going to have this is equals to summation n1 to infinity. So here will be 1, then plus what is in between them, plus summation n1 to n equals to 1 infinity 1 all over n squared. True or false? Yeah. So as you can see, let us note that I don't know whether you have a question. Any question? Please look at the board. Tell me whether there is a question. Do you have any question? No. Yes, no. It's okay. There's no question, right? All right. So let's proceed. Let us proceed to consider this. So this implies that summation n to 1 infinity 1, this is equals to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus da da da. It continues. You understand? Yeah. So it implies that, look at the board very well. Look at the board. So this implies that it is diverse. It diverges because the partial sum grow without bound. This is diverges why? Because the partial sum, grew without bond. So this implies that the whole series, when we assume Q to be this thing, we conclude by saying the whole series diverges because of this term, this one term. So therefore, our summation n to 1 infinity n squared plus 1 all over n squared. This series is diverges because of the first term. Do you understand? Oh, do you understand? Are you following? So that is that, and that is how far we can go. So we conclude by saying this series diverges because of the first term. First term, this one. So I think you can stop here. So that is that. Do you have any question that you want to ask to know? Any question? No question. If there is no question, let's move further to consider more assignments. Any question? If you have any question, ask. No question? Okay. Let's consider this. Let us consider this. Kathleen. Let us consider this. Let us consider this. Amen. So, one of the questions says, use right hand limits to evaluate. Use right hand limit to evaluate. Amen. To evaluate limits x tends to 1, then x cubed minus all over x minus 1. Yeah, it's as simple as ABC. Please look at the board. Let's do it together. Okay, let's write solution. Amen. You can see what I'm saying. Limit s tends to 1, x raised to the power of 3 minus 1 all over x minus 1. Amen. Are you following? Please look at the board. Look at the board. Look at the board very well. Okay. So let's go ahead to solve this. When you come across this, you know, if you substitute in these limits, the limits at the end of the day will be what? Will be undefined. Why? Because, let me say, let's just substitute in minus 1 all over 1 minus 1. This is 0 all over 0, 2 of us. So the limit here is undefined. Undefined, right? But limit does not want it this way. And at the same time, is I use right limits to evaluate this. So what you are going to do is this. What you are going to do is you consider the numerator, then, you know, when assuming we have x squared minus 1, how are we going to factor this? We are going to consider what is called difference of what? 2 squared. So it means this is the same as x minus 1 times x plus 1 all over x minus 1. 2 of us. This and this will go, isn't it? It is, right? But here is what? Cube. So difference of cube. That is what we are going to look for. So it implies that this is the same thing as x minus 1, open bracket, x squared plus x plus 1 is the same thing as this. So I said let me just explain before we proceed to solve this so that you not see the complexity on it. Is that clear? It's okay. Any question? No question? Okay. So let's